Hey guys, it's me, Sabrina. Thanks for coming back to watch another video on my channel. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not already, if you love handbags, because this channel is a safe space for handbag admiration, handbag comparisons, handbag discussions, all of the above. So just subscribe if you haven't already. In today's video, I want to quickly talk about two handbags that I have that I think are very underrated and very underestimated. I'm actually trying to pick a bag to carry along with my Soft Empire in the size 40. Yeah, it's the Empire 40. I'm using that as my work bag today, and I don't want to have to be managing two large bags or the Empire with, a large tote bag. So these were my two options today, mostly because of what I'm wearing. I think they kind of coordinate with my blouse and my pants, and then also considering that the Empire 40 is a dark navy. But I chose this one first. This is the Coach Times Square Tabby in the 20 or the 19 size. I packed this one up, and then I started looking at this one as another contender. This is the Dress Up Your Purse Madison handbag. This is the collaboration between Melody Cecile and Hello Catwalk City. And I took a quick look on the inside of this bag, and I have a mint wrapper. Excuse that. And I just started thinking, wow, that's quite a bit of space for a bag that looks really petite and structured on the outside. There's quite a bit of space in there. So I just wanted to let you guys know that these bags are great. They pack a serious punch while still looking petite, demure, classy, minimal on the outside, especially the Times Square Tabby. The Times Square Tabby it's made of genuine Napa leather, and this one is made of the Epsom leather, but I believe there's Napa leather on the inside. But back to the Times Square Tabby. It fits so much, and it's such a flexible bag, and that's what I really love about it, that I had packed this one up to actually carry it today. So in the front compartment, I have my work phone, AirPods. I have some lip balm, hand sanitizer. This is the key pouch from Dress Up Your Purse. I have my key fob in here. Ow. I have my cards and license in this card holder from Coach. And that part is empty, and now I just have the back compartment. I like to stuff all my little things in that back compartment back there. Things like lip glosses, perfume oil, ibuprofen in my Ziploc bag, my mirror, and nail clippers. And that's all that I had in there. But that's everything that I need, and the bag wasn't even full. There's still a back pocket on the Times Square Tabby. What I'm going to do really quickly is just see if I can fit everything from the Times Square Tabby into the Madison from Dress Up Your Purse, which I'm very optimistic about it. I think that I can. Put my work phone in there. I'm going to put the mirror in this little slot right here. I have a card holder, my key pouch. Put these lip glosses underneath. That was the perfume oil. The key pouch on top. Lip balm. AirPods. Hand sanitizer. And ibuprofen. Perfection. Not busting at the seams. Oh, my nail clipper. Forgot that. But there's plenty of room for my nail clipper. And I still have room for something in there. I believe I could even put my personal phone in the back. But most of us don't have 2 cell phones, so I'm just amazed at that. And the thing I've learned, I believe, is that when you really want to carry a nice handbags, you just have to be willing. Let me rephrase that. When you want to carry a nice handbag that is on the smaller, more compact side, you just have to be willing to forego all of the small leather goods. You might not be able to have 3 or 4 pouches to hold your essentials within these kinds of bags. And you just have to kind of sacrifice that. But I don't think that's really sacrificing much because I'm still using a card case for my cards. I'm still using a leather pouch for my key fob and for, what else did I have in there? I think I just have 2 keys in there. But I still have SLGs in here, but you know, I just feel like these are very underrated. I don't hear a lot of people talking about them. I really expected the Times Square Tabby to be more popular than it ended up being. And I think it's because people just don't realize how great of a bag it is and how much you can fit in these compartments. The front one is very giving and stretches quite a bit, and so does the back one. Not to mention my favorite compartment, and I think this compartment is special because it's deep. So normally you'll have a slip pocket in a bag and it doesn't really go the full depth of the bag, and I think this one pretty much goes down to the bottom, if not almost to the bottom. So you can fit a lot of things in there in all of these compartments. And then the back pocket is still very generous. So these bags are great options if you want to have a small footprint handbag that doesn't take up a lot of space, but you have quite a few essentials that you want to carry. So I hope that the video was helpful and that you all have a wonderful day. Bye. Oh, if you are still watching and you made it to the end of the video, I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging on to the end, and I want to announce this giveaway. These are the 2 items that I will be giving away to 2 subscribers. These are the corner zip signature print wristlets from Coach, the Coach outlet. These are both in the powder pink color, so it's powder pink with the signature print. These are so cute. I'll put a picture on the screen so that I don't have to open these. But I will be giving these away to 2 subscribers. The giveaway will be open from today, which is Wednesday, through Saturday. I will announce the winner on Sunday and ship them to you on Monday or as soon as I get the mailing address from the winners. So again, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for interacting with me, asking questions, making comments, leaving feedback. I really do appreciate the community found here on YouTube, and I could not do that or have that community without each of you. All you have to do to enter is be subscribed to my channel here on YouTube. Leave a comment in the comment section saying enter. This giveaway is not affiliated in any way with YouTube or with Coach or with any other brands. It's simply a thank you from me to you. I won't ask you for any money. I won't ask you to send me anything besides your mailing address, and that is after I've confirmed if you have won the giveaway. So just be on the lookout for people that try to scam. Again, the giveaway will be open between today, which is Wednesday, through Saturday, and I will announce the 2 winners on Sunday and ship after that. So thanks again. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.